NDI Tools 6 in August 2025. I have been using NDI 5 tools for a while without any major issues. NDI Tools version 5600. It includes variety of tools which can be used for free. Recently I decided to upgrade to the latest NDI 6 tools. NDI Tools version 6210. However, remote has been removed due to critical security and performance concerns that cannot be quickly addressed. Remote is offline now. It's unknown if remote will be online again. For more technical info, please subscribe to the channel and click thumb up if you like the contents.